Since childhood, I have been very sensitive to people's moods and opinions. Even a small criticism made me feel hurt and insecure. I tried to avoid criticism by becoming or trying to be perfect.
One day through meditation, I started to understand myself better. I realized I care too much about what others think of me. Slowly, I learned to step back and watch my emotions instead of being controlled by them. Criticism still hurts sometimes, but now it doesn't overwhelm me. I understand that people's opinions are only their perspective, and they do not change my true value. The biggest change is how I treat myself. When I make mistakes, I try to stay calm and learn from them instead of judging myself.
And now I protect my inner peace more than I worry about other people's judgment.